Finding books at Clemson Library starts at the quick search box on the library website. Let's say you're writing a paper on wildfires and you want to get started with fire ecology as keywords to find books on the subject. Chances are there's going to be a lot of results. We can start to narrow them down by using the facets on the left. Once you've applied your desired results, continue by clicking Apply Filters. With our results more manageable, sign into your library account to ensure you can access and request any items you need from the list. Take some time to review the results, and when you find one you like, you can click on the title to view the full item record. This includes important information like location, availability, and several citation generators. If the book you find is available at Clemson Libraries, there is an option to request it for pickup at the library branch of your choosing. If you'd rather pick it up yourself, physical books in our collection will include a call number, which is basically a group of letters and numbers that indicate where in the library it's located. You can view our floor maps page in the About section to determine where to go, but there are also guides located throughout Cooper Library. Search results can include electronic books. You'll notice some listed as available online. These include stable links that lead to the full text of the ebook. Before accessing the full text, make sure you sign into your library account if you haven't done so already. If at any time you need help with your search, click back to the library's webpage. Use the floating chat option at the bottom right or click the help button at the top to contact us by email, text, phone, or by appointment. The library services desk, located on the main floor of each of our branches, is a great place to get help if you're on campus too. Consider these steps on your next search, and go Tigers!